How do I cancel my iCloud storage monthly payment subscription?
Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn how to cancel an iCloud storage monthly payment subscription. It's a pretty simple process and we'll go through it step by step. Remember, even if you cancel your iCloud storage plan, your existing data won't be instantly deleted.
What is an iCloud storage subscription?
An iCloud storage subscription is a service provided by Apple that allows users to expand their available iCloud storage. This storage can be used for things like backups, photos, and documents. The subscription is charged monthly and can be canceled at any time.
How to access your iCloud account?
You can access your iCloud account via your Apple device's settings. Here are the steps. 1. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. 3. Tap on iCloud. You're now in your iCloud account settings.
How to cancel your iCloud storage subscription?
Now that you're in your iCloud settings, it's time to cancel your subscription. Here's how. 1. In the iCloud settings, tap on Manage Storage. 2. Next, tap on Change Storage Plan or Buy More Storage. 3. Then tap on Downgrade options at the bottom. 4. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Do so and tap Manage. 5. You will now see your current plans and lower tiers. Select the free plan. 6. Confirm the downgrade to finish the cancellation process. And voila! You've just canceled your iCloud storage subscription. That's all there is to it. As you've seen, canceling your iCloud storage subscription is as easy as a few taps. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and should you decide to upgrade your iCloud storage in the future, you now know how to manage your subscription. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.